So what he's going to do now is look at the most successful theories that we have right now, the most confirmed theories that we have right now. And the first thing he does is he says the founders of those theories had instrumentalist view. Right. So he says isn't nearly as he says we consider the instrumentalist view of the founders of the general relativity and quantum theory. So those are the theories that he wants to look at here. These theories, one of the couple of the most successful theories that we had, their founders had instrumentalist views. Now, the first one, general relativity, we say, wait a minute, no, Mitch. Einstein was a realist. I mean, he said that, science was after truth. Well, what Mitch tells us here is that, yes, later, but initially he was an instrumentalist, right? So he says, consider relativity. Ironically, its founder, Einstein, is famous for his scientific realism, for his view that the goal of science is to get at the truth. Yet in his early days, while developing his theories of relativity, he acknowledges the influence of Ernest Mach and Hume, right, our good friend David Hume.
Good old Hume.
Especially that of Hume, whose treatise he studied during his early life. Both Hume and Mach were famously skeptical about the truth of unobservable scientific explanations. Einstein's conversion, he says, to scientific realism occurred around 1920, only after he had developed both theories of relativity, both the special and the general theory of relativity. Right?
Yeah, I came about this because it worked, but I'm really certain that this is true. So, it's kind of begging after the fact there.
Right. So prior to his conversion, he actually presented an argument in a paper in 1916, The Foundation of the General Theory of Relativity, in which he says that general relativity takes away from space and time the last remnants of physical objectivity. That is, space and time are not real entities according to this paper.
Yeah.
So, when Einstein developed these theories, came up with these theories, Stokes is telling us that he was a instrumentalist, right? I hold to these because they work, not necessarily because they are true, right?